Hello, animal enthusiasts. Welcome to Natural World Guide's Guess the Bird Quiz. This quiz will show you a picture of a bird and then you guess the name of the bird. Ready? Okay, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy level to start. Guess this bird. It's African penguin. Guess this bird. It's scarlet macaw. Guess this bird. It's ostrich. Guess this bird. It's American flamingo. Guess this bird. It's Indian peacock. Time to move into medium level. Guess this bird. It's rainbow lorikeet. Guess this bird. It's Bali myna. Guess this bird. It's toko toucan. Guess this bird. It's scarlet ibis. Guess this bird. It's tawny frogmouth. Let's move into hard level. Guess this bird. It's ruddy duck. Guess this bird. It's paradise tanager. Guess this bird. It's Nicobar pigeon. Guess this bird. It's hamerkop. Guess this bird. It's rhinoceros hornbill. Time to move into impossible level. Guess this bird. It's channel-billed toucan. Guess this bird. It's orange-breasted waxbill. Guess this bird. It's swamp sparrow. Guess this bird. It's a Mazelia hummingbird. Guess this bird. It's Fisher's turako. You made it. So how did you do? Share this quiz with your family and friends and compare your results. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a like and click for notifications so you'll know when the next quiz is available. Thank you, and see you next time.